We saw that young women in areas like Jawor had limited access to inspiring role models and real contact with modern technology. That's why we created a program to show that technology has no gender. It's about curiosity, talent, and courage. With each edition, we have focused more on hands-on learning and helping the girls grow in confidence. It's a program that grows together with the girls and gives them real power to shape their futures.
There are several universal competencies that are crucial for being effective at work. One of them is the ability to work in a team. That requires certain attitudes, communication, and often leadership skills. Today I challenge students with difficult yet fun teamwork tasks so they could analyze how their team performed and discover ways to improve their work.
Our ongoing collaboration with Mercedes-Benz and participation in the Girls Go technology program perfectly embody SIA Poland's core values. We are proud that women constitute 50% of managerial positions and they lead an impressive 70% of our technology interest groups.
During today's workshop, I had the opportunity to show students how AI chatbots can support their learning, help solve problems, and inspire them to explore new interests with confidence and curiosity. Throughout the session, they discovered proven ways in which AI can become a practical and reliable tool in their education.
Dzisiaj się dowiedziałam bardzo dużo ciekawych rzeczy o sztucznej inteligencji, jak działa. Też padło właśnie takie pytanie, czy sztuczna inteligencja zastąpi nauczycieli w szkołach? Nie, ale też pomoże nam w nauce i też nie wiedziałam, że jest tyle aplikacji. Najbardziej mi się też spodobało, jak tworzyć plan swojej nauki i też na pewno to wykorzystam, jeżeli będę chciała się uczyć do matury.